Easy, nice little install for £10. What is up, guys? It's Shamus here with another video, and today we are going to be installing some motherfucking Underglow lights, bud. Now, it's pretty cringy. I've basically been wanting to do this for a while. I've been dropping like hints here and there on YouTube and Instagram. So if you don't know, go follow me on Instagram. Yeah, it's not really difficult. It's pretty straightforward. In the kit, you get a normal cigarette lighter one, and then you get like another piece that can connect up to the battery, and then you can stick it everywhere. So this is what I've got for now. Like I said, this is another part of the kit. So this will plug into the IO controller, and then you can just wire up the positive to the negative. It's not going to stay like this. This is just a test fit. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to wire it down and to the side of the car. But yeah, I'm just trying to map out how it is going to go. So I'll give you an update when I'm finished. Okay, so plan of attack is to grab it from up there, bring it down over there, let it chill. But it's not really working. It's a bit hard still. Obviously, you can see that little silence delete. Okay, so change of plan. I'm gonna put it down from here and pull it all the way across from there. So let's get it. Pull it down. Come on, you know me, bro. Okay, so on this side, I let it run down there, and I just use this one to pull it out. Still pull all of it. As you can see, now they're both on the floor. Now I'm just gonna clean up this area, stick it down, and it should be good. With the other two, what I will be doing is I'm going to be lining it across the engine bay, so when I'm at carnage I can flip up my hood, it'll just be shining. So let's do the two sides now, clean it up, stick it down and get it going. Ignore the roughness. So basically, I didn't record everything. Like, it was so tedious. Like, you had to put the LED strips around the moving parts, and you have to make sure that in the future it's not the wheel or the drive shaft or the auxiliary bolts is not going to be catching on the wires. Like, the wires itself from the IO control module box is not long enough. Like, okay, for £10 it's okay because it does a job. It lights up, LED lights, neon lights, cool, it does a job. But come on, man, it's not even long enough. But yeah, so here's a video of the LED lights installed right now. Look at it, bro. The camera does not do justice, it really doesn't, bro. So you got different modes, like you can tap it. Like we've got red, for example. I left it in the engine bay, so I don't know which colour it is. So you got red. What's this? Green. Blue. White. Orange. Yellow. This colour. Is pink, purplish, whatever. This is the audio one. Apparently that makes up an audio. I'm not 100% sure. This is audio 2. Audio 3, I think. Audio 3. Wait, no, it's fade, my bad. This is fade 4. This is audio 1. Let's try it.
nice little install for £10.